Today I have the new iPad Air and I am going to review it with you guys. So first of all, we have the iPad right here. It is space gray, 5th generation. And then right here we have the iPad case, which is black. And then over here we have the stylus pen, which also works with the Apple. So these are the 3 products that I am going to open today. Okay, so now I'm going to open the iPad. Get this stuff off. Okay, now let's open it and review what it is inside. Ooh, it looks very nice. Okay, now let's peel this open. Ooh, okay, so this is the full size. Very big. It is an 11-inch iPad. Okay, now let's open the cover. Ooh. iPad Air. The gray. It's very nice. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, we have the charger. And the power box. And then that is it. And then this is, I think, the instructions. Okay. This is what the full iPad looks like. Okay, now let's put it on the case. So now I have the case open. So pull it out. Ooh, it has a very nice touch to it. Let's see. Ooh, it has this protective case. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, it's very nice. And right here, you can put the Apple, the pen. I like it very much. So I put the iPad into the case, and this is what it looks like. It's very nice. And then on here, right here, you can put the pen. So I'm going to open the pen right now. Okay, so this is the pen. I'm going to open it up. Okay, so this is what the pen looks like. Here we go. And it comes with a USB for charging. It looks like. So yes, that's basically it. I have the pen, the case, and the iPad. It's very nice. So this is what the whole product looks like. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.